Hello everyone, I am Shivam Thakur. Welcomes you all to my YouTube channel Shivansh Tech, guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your Autocad learning sessions. And in today's tutorial, we are gonna make one more practice video. Some people ping me for making the concept of star. In today's tutorial, we are gonna make a star of this dimension. I have arranged this drawing from somewhere. I know it's very quite easy, but in the starting some beginners get confused in this. So alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So alright guys, let's start it. First read this drawing. We need to draw a line here of 0.90, then 1.25. So this is our reference. So guys, this is a line that we have drawn for the reference, center line. Let's make this line that dotted so that you can understand it's a center line. Just make it like this. Let's draw a line here. Select line command and draw a line firstly for 0.90 because we need to take this line at this angle, right? So the distance of this line to this 0.9 plus. Now here we need to take the line 1.25 plus enter. Right guys, we need to take this line at this angle, and we also need to draw one more line from this point to this point. I just draw a line. I select this with the rotate command. Take this to 30 degrees, so means minus 30 degrees. I just make it as we can see. And what I need to do is now you need to trim the remaining part. I just draw this, and the distance is 1.25. Alright guys, let's draw a line here. First of all, now what I need to do now, I need to draw a line here, little bit lengthy line. Just click here, just select this line and use rotate command to rotate this line. Rotate this line, select the object, the spaces. Make the base point and then make it at 45 degrees, minus 45 degrees. Sorry, we need to draw this, rotate this command at 45 degrees. So just click it here, make it rotate at 45 degrees like this. So now what I need to do, make this line 1.5 mm, then this remaining part, this is of 0.45. So I just draw a line here. 0.5. Let's take this line 0.45. I got this point. In drawing, I got this point. So what I need to do, I need to draw a line here and take this rotate at 45 degree angle. Then I need to take a line here and make this 30 degree. 30 degree here. So I just take a line here. Select this and rotate this line to 30 degree. I'm going to click it. Just like this. I have drawn this line. I need to draw one more line from this point to this point. Select this line, rotate this line, select the point here and make this line 59. Rotation angle is 59. Actually we need to draw this negative. So arrow, press this, then minus negative 15. I just draw this. So guys, what I need to do now, I need to trim the extended part of lines that I draw, and I need to draw a lines that I just draw for my reference. There is a line, just draw this. There is a line, this one, this one. So guys, these are the lines that I draw from my reference. So now our half of our star has been completed. What I need to do? We just need to select this layer and mirror the remaining part. Just mirror. Give the mirror line something like this. And then this is asking for the yes or no. So what I need to do is no. So we can see our star is ready. Alright guys, so now let's give the dimensioning to this star. Dimensioning, just select linear. Keep this line as a 0.90 mm, just as it is. Keep this line distance from this point to this point is 1.5 mm as it is. Keep the distance from this point to this point, that is 0.80. We need to keep the distance between this point to this point, that is 1.25. So guys, I hope you have got all the dimensions here. And if you want for the radius of the rotation degree angle, so I can show you the degree also. Angle, at what angle I have made this drawing. The angular distance, the angle between this and this drawing is 30 degree. That means the distance between this line and this line is 45 degree. This line and this line is 45 degree. The distance between this line and this line is 45 degree. Now you need to get the distance angle from this line to center line. What would be the center? That would be 15 degree, but you need to find it according to you. Now let's take the dimension a little bit smaller in size. Center, modify, need to click on modify, make this dimension 0.05, then enter and press OK, then close. Now guys, it gets quite small. Need to modify, take this item. To modify this command, and this is gonna be the 0.8. I hope it's okay now. Alright guys, and if you all like the video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. Thanks for clicking guys. Bye bye, till the next video. Stay tuned.